guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we are gonna pick up scrap metal and we're gonna see how much we make off of it. So I got a job here with all kinds of different types of scrap metal. I'm gonna go around and show you guys all the piles, but it's a good little way to make a little bit of extra money. You gotta get a lot of it, I feel like, to make it worth your time. But they do pay you cash at the scrapyard too, so that's always nice to get some extra cash for whatever. But yeah, let's go take a look at what we got. So first we got this little pile here, not too much. We go back here, we got this pile here, wash machine, just some sporadic stuff there. Over here we got this, looks like a car jack, and this dolly, we can probably put some WD-40 on the wheels, so I might end up actually keeping that. Dishwasher, top of a grill, and a fence. Over here we got a fridge just sitting here, hopefully it don't have food in it. And over here we got, this guy must have like burned mattresses or something. So we got a bunch of mattresses, microwave, wheelchair, this old scooter here, which I don't think it's savable, so I'm probably just gonna scrap that too. Then we'll go back here. We got a lawnmower, a garbage can full of old springs, and a wash machine there. And we got more mattresses over here. So yeah, now we're gonna load up and we're gonna go to the scrapyard and see how much we get for this stuff.
Forward.
Let this sit right All right guys, we got that all loaded up. It was a real pain to get that fridge on there, and we had to put the little bike on the truck, but we got it all on there. We just got to tarp it down and head to the scrapyard. But I don't recommend loading it the way we did, but those mattresses were real hard to load because they're just getting caught on everything. But let's head to the scrapyard and see how much we make off this. All right guys, we made it, but the tarp did not stay on. But luckily I had it strapped as well. But this only happened like a mile away and I was off the highway, so I didn't even stop to fix it. But now I'm gonna dump all this and then we're gonna go see how much we made. All right, so having a dump trailer helps a lot. All right, it all dumped out of there good. Now we're gonna go back on the scale. We weighed about 12,600 coming in. All right, now we're driving out of here. I really like this scrapyard because there is not a bunch of stuff laying around. They keep it pretty clean. I've been to other ones where it's literally a mud pit, but this one, I've never gotten a flat tire at this one, so hopefully today's not the day either. Scale gets a little sketchy.
We on live right now?
No, just a can you make money doing scrap video.
Okay.
So it looks like we weighed about 10,770, so pretty much 2,000 pounds. It's probably about 7 cents a pound right now, so We might get like 140 bucks or something for this, but for free money basically. But we'll see what we get when I get the ticket here in a minute. All right guys, so I just got done going on the scale. We ended up making $133 on that. So the total weight was about 1,900 pounds and it was 7 cents a pound. 1,900, 133 bucks. Basically, yeah, you can make money doing scrap metal. You know, everybody probably knows somebody who has an old fridge or something. Once in a while they're getting rid of. But I mean, I had a big trailer. That's like a 15 cubic yard trailer and it dumps, which is helpful. But a lot of guys you'll see through here, they just got like old pickup trucks and they'll just have their trucks completely loaded down. I can only imagine they're probably making, you know, 40, 50 bucks, but 40, 50 bucks is a lot of money. Nowadays it doesn't go as far, but it's still a lot of money. And they pay you cash, which is also awesome. So yeah, basically you can make money doing this, but I don't like to come unless if I got a big load, because it's kind of like 20 minutes from me to get to the scrapyard. But yeah, it's a nice little side hustle. So follow me, like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I might be doing some more scrap videos in the future, maybe like scrapping aluminum or copper or something like that, where we make even more money. So look forward to seeing those, and thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.